Stop before you scroll. Pause for a moment. What if Allah has been sending you signs for months, but you keep ignoring them? Not because you don't believe in Him, but because the world became louder than His reminders. Every day, something tries to pull your heart back to Allah. A reminder, a feeling, a guilt you cannot explain, a verse that hits too hard, a pain that suddenly changes you. But instead of listening, you scroll. You distract yourself. You tell yourself, "Letter," and slowly, the noise of dunya becomes so loud that you can no longer hear your own soul. We expect Allah's guidance to arrive like thunder. Something dramatic, something impossible to ignore. But Allah often speaks in whispers. That random Islamic video you saw at 2 a.m., that sudden guilt after a sin, that emptiness after finally getting what you wanted, that feeling in your chest during tahajjud hours, none of it was random. Allah was speaking to you through the things you called random. That door that suddenly closed, the one you cried over, the one you begged Allah to open, maybe closed because Allah saw what you couldn't. That heartbreak that shattered you, that loneliness following you everywhere, that restlessness you feel even around people. Maybe Allah is not punishing you. Maybe He is removing everything, so you finally look back at Him. The dangerous part is not sin. The dangerous part is becoming comfortable without Allah. You delay prayers without feeling guilty. You hear Quran, but your heart no longer reacts. You make time for everyone, except the one who gave you time. And every ignored reminder, every delayed repentance, every "I'll change tomorrow," slowly hardens the heart until one day you no longer feel anything. Has the time not come for those who believe that their hearts should humble themselves to the remembrance of Allah? Don't wait for pain to force you back to Allah. Don't wait for tragedy to wake your soul up. Some people only turn toward heaven when the earth completely breaks them. You feel lost because you stopped looking at the map. So, what is Allah trying to tell you right now? Maybe it is, leave that sin before it destroys your peace. Maybe it is, stop chasing people who are pulling you away from me. Maybe it is, forgive them, he'll move on. Or maybe it is the simplest message of all. Come back to me. You have been trying to fill a God-sized emptiness with temporary things, people, attention, money, distractions. But dunya was never designed to satisfy a soul created for Allah. Stop ignoring the one who never stopped caring about you. The next time your heart feels heavy, don't escape into your phone. Escape into sujud. Talk to Allah. Cry to Him. Because the peace you are searching for has always been with Him. You asked Allah for a sign. What if this video was one of them? He is talking. Are you finally ready to listen before the heart forgets how to hear? If your heart felt something, write in the comments, "Yeah, Allah, I'm coming back."